Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Oppo A2x, a new entry-level 5G phone that has just been announced in China. Is this phone worth your attention? Let's find out. But before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive right in. The Oppo A2x is the successor of the Oppo A1x, which was launched in March this year. The A2x has some notable upgrades over its predecessor, such as a 90Hz display, a Dimensity chip, a bigger battery, and more storage options. The Oppo A2x features a 6.56-inch LCD display with a teardrop notch that houses a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The display has an HD+ resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, which is not very impressive for a 5G phone. However, the display does support a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes the user experience smoother and more responsive. The display also boasts up to 720 nits of brightness and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, which means it can produce vivid and accurate colors. The Oppo A2x runs on ColorOS 13.1 based on Android 13, which is the latest version of Google's operating system. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication, as well as face unlock and other security features. The Oppo A2x is powered by the Dimensity 6020 chipset, which is a mid-range 5G processor from MediaTek. The chip has 4 Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz and 4 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz, along with a Mali G57MC3 GPU. The chip also supports dual-mode 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and NFC. The Oppo A2x comes with 2 RAM and storage options, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The storage can be further expanded via a microSD card slot. The Oppo A2x has a single rear camera of 13 megapixels with an LED flash. The camera can record videos up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The camera app has various modes and features, such as night mode, portrait mode, panorama mode, time-lapse mode, slow-motion mode, and AI scene recognition. The Oppo A2x packs a 5000 mAh battery that can last for a day or more on moderate usage. However, the phone does not support any fast charging technology, which is a downside for a 5G phone. The phone charges via a USB-C port and also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Oppo A2x has an IP54 rated splash-resistant body and weighs 185 grams. The phone comes in 3 color options: black, gold, and purple. The Oppo A2x is set to go on sale on October 14th in China, and there is no word on whether it will be released in the global market. The phone costs around $153 for the base model and $195 for the higher-end model. So, what do you think of the Oppo A2x? Is it a good entry-level 5G phone or not? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Android news and reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.